The rain is freezing as it hits your skin. Traffic has been completely paralyzed for 3 hours. Your smartphone screen just went black. Panic is starting to ripple through the sea of stranded cars around you. You step out onto the unforgiving concrete, wearing your expensive leather dress shoes. Home is exactly 7 miles away. That $1,000 tactical bug-out bag you spent months building is sitting perfectly safe in your bedroom closet. Right now, it is completely useless to you. This is the nightmare scenario that most people completely ignore. The survival industry sells you fantasies about escaping into the deep wilderness. The harsh reality is that your most likely survival mission is simply walking from your workplace back to your front door. When the power grid goes down or a major disaster strikes, your vehicle becomes a steel trap. You will have to abandon it and get home on foot. Today, I am going to show you how to build a life-saving vehicle kit for exactly $50. This is not a theoretical list of expensive gadgets. This is the exact practical gear that military veterans trust and actually keep in their trunks. We will track the cost of every single item as we go to prove this can be done on a tight budget. Let us begin with the most critical item that almost everyone cuts from their list. Item 1 is a complete change of seasonal clothes and broken-in walking shoes. You must understand the physiology of human movement under stress. Walking 5 miles in office attire, dress shoes, or a heavy work uniform will destroy your body. Friction blisters will form within 45 minutes in the wrong footwear. Within 2 hours, those blisters will become completely debilitating. Extreme pain will force you to stop moving, and stopping in a crisis is incredibly dangerous. You must keep a sealed bag in your trunk containing worn-in athletic shoes, durable long pants, a moisture-wicking shirt, and a waterproof light jacket. The jacket is crucial because it protects your core temperature from both cold wind and sudden rain. The failure to include proper footwear has stopped more people from reaching safety than any missing piece of survival gear ever has. Item 2 is a dependable folding knife with a 4-inch blade. You do not want a massive fixed blade hunting knife for this specific kit. This bag lives in a car in a public parking lot where a large tactical blade could draw unwanted legal attention. A folding knife is legal, highly concealable, and perfectly handles every practical urban survival task. You can use it to quickly cut a jammed seatbelt after a severe traffic accident. You can process emergency food, cut bandages, or slice through heavy cordage. The absolute requirement here is a solid liner lock or frame lock mechanism. You must avoid assisted open knives with internal springs. Springs will inevitably break under repeated stress in the field. A solid metal lock design will never collapse on your fingers under heavy lateral pressure. Item 3 is 50 feet of Type 3 military paracord. This lightweight cordage holds 550 pounds of static weight. It gives you the power to lash a makeshift shelter if you are forced to sleep outside in a storm. You can use it to create a perimeter tripwire to protect your resting area. You can fashion an improvised tourniquet to stop severe bleeding or hoist food out of the reach of urban scavengers. You can even separate the 7 inner core strands to use as emergency fishing line or medical sutures. 50 feet weighs less than 3 ounces and provides unmatched utility per dollar. As the sun begins to set on your treacherous walk home, the temperature plummets and a new invisible killer begins to hunt you in the dark. The plunging temperature is not your only enemy. An injury or completely blocked roads might force you to stop moving for the night. Hypothermia can kill a healthy adult in a matter of hours, even in moderate climates if you are wet and exhausted. This brings us to item 4, the emergency mylar bivy. You must choose a bivy sack over a standard survival blanket or a heavy tarp. There is a very specific physiological reason for this choice. A bivy completely encapsulates you and passively reflects 90% of your radiated body heat back into your core. You do not have to actively hold it closed while shivering in the dark. You simply crawl inside, seal it up, and it does the life-saving work for you. It performs perfectly regardless of your physical exhaustion or mental state at that terrifying moment. It weighs under 3 ounces and packs down to the size of a standard deck of playing cards. This tiny silver pouch works to save your life even when you are too injured to do anything else correctly. Waking up the next morning, your body demands hydration to keep your muscles functioning. This is where most amateur kits completely fail. The most common and dangerous mistake people make is storing plastic water bottles in their car trunk. Those plastic bottles constantly freeze in the winter and bake in the brutal summer heat, leaching toxic chemicals into the water before eventually bursting. You cannot possibly carry enough heavy water for a multi-day walk home. Instead, item 5 is a hollow fiber water filter straw paired with a collapsible silicone water pouch. For a combined cost of just $14, this system gives you the power to safely drink from stagnant puddles, dirty streams, or flooded urban streets. The hollow fiber membrane aggressively removes deadly bacteria and protozoa from any freshwater source you encounter. A single straw can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water before needing replacement. You must learn to carry the tool that creates the product rather than trying to carry the heavy product itself. As you push forward into the second night, the urban landscape becomes a maze of shattered glass and unseen hazards. Moving through this treacherous terrain without a dedicated hands-free light source is exactly how catastrophic injuries happen. Item 6 is a high-quality headlamp paired with 2 spare AA batteries. You must abandon the classic handheld flashlight. Every critical task that matters in a survival scenario requires both of your hands to be completely free. Whether you are treating a bleeding wound, reading a paper map, or setting up your emergency shelter, a handheld flashlight permanently handicaps you. The AA battery specification is an absolute requirement for the same reason it applies to every elite emergency kit. AA batteries are the most widely scavenged and available power source in any urban or rural environment in the world. You keep those 2 spare batteries taped directly to the headlamp in a small waterproof bag to add less than 2 ounces of weight while doubling your operational time. By this point, your body has burned through its glycogen stores and your physical output is crashing hard. Your brain feels foggy, and every step feels like carrying a boulder. Item 7 is your high-calorie compact food supply, consisting of 6 single-serve peanut butter packets and a small bag of hard candy. We are not packing gourmet meals or heavy canned goods because comfort is not the objective here. The only target is maintaining your physical output and preserving your cognitive function for the agonizing duration of the walk home. Peanut butter packets deliver an incredible 100 calories per ounce, making them one of the most calorie-dense, shelf-stable survival foods on the planet. The hard candy serves a very specific medical purpose by delivering an immediate glucose spike to your brain when your decision-making begins to degrade under extreme physical exertion. Together, this lightweight combination provides approximately 1,200 calories to fuel a full day of relentless walking. As your body is finally fueled and ready to push through the final miles, a terrifying realization washes over you when you look down at your dead phone and realize you have absolutely no idea which direction leads to safety. The glowing screen of your smartphone is nothing but a useless piece of black glass. Cell towers are completely overloaded or physically destroyed by the disaster. You are standing at an unfamiliar intersection surrounded by chaos, and your digital brain has failed you. This brings us to item 8, which is a laminated local map and a reliable base plate compass. Every single piece of electronic navigation equipment possesses a fatal single point of failure. A base plate compass costs barely $3 and operates flawlessly without satellite signals, fragile lithium batteries, or hackable technology. You must print and laminate a detailed map of your local area, marking your workplace, your home, and every possible secondary route between them. This simple piece of paper costs $1 at a local copy shop and will survive indefinitely inside a damp glove compartment. Studies show that global positioning systems are highly vulnerable to solar flares and localized grid failures, while a magnetic compass relies on the unbreakable magnetic core of the Earth. One afternoon of practicing basic land navigation before a crisis hits is worth infinitely more than the most expensive GPS device money can buy. As you finally map out a safe route and begin to make progress, you stumble upon a partially functioning gas station. You desperately need extra calories or local information, but the power instability has completely wiped out their credit card readers. Digital payments evaporate exactly when human panic and demand peak to their absolute highest levels. This is precisely why item 9 is $40 in small, untraceable cash, sealed securely in a waterproof zip bag. You must carry only $5 and $1 bills, because nobody will have change for a $100 bill during a societal disruption. Physical currency weighs virtually nothing, yet it solves terrifying problems that absolutely no piece of tactical gear in your bag can fix. Suddenly, the exhaustion catches up to you, and a severe misstep sends you crashing violently onto the broken pavement. Your vision blurs, and the massive spike of adrenaline flooding your brain completely wipes out your working memory. Psychological research proves that acute physical stress floods the hippocampus with cortisol, making it impossible to recall even your own phone number or home address. This terrifying reality is why item 10 is a laminated personal information card. This simple card must contain 3 emergency contact numbers with names, your full home address, your exact blood type, critical medication allergies, and the location of a secondary family rally point. If you are found unconscious or unable to communicate, this tiny piece of plastic is the absolute difference between a stranger knowing exactly how to save your life and someone just helplessly guessing. But what if that fall resulted in a catastrophic, life-threatening injury? Item 11 is your basic, highly accessible trauma supply kit. You must pack 1 proven tourniquet, 1 heavy-duty pressure bandage, and 2 pairs of thick nitrile gloves. You must pack these 3 specific items at the very absolute top of your get-home bag, where your trembling hands can reach them in under 10 seconds. If you suffer a severe arterial bleed from shattered glass or twisted metal, a tourniquet properly applied in the first 3 minutes is the literal difference between a positive outcome and a tragic statistic. Everything else inside a standard medical kit can wait, but massive hemorrhage control absolutely cannot. You can secure these 3 trauma items at any local pharmacy for under $15. We have now built an elite military-grade urban survival kit for exactly $50. The fully loaded weight is strictly under 4 pounds, which is incredibly light enough to carry on your back for an exhausting 24-hour march without adding to your physical fatigue. The ultimate bag that actually gets you home safely is not the heaviest, most expensive one you fantasize about. It is the intelligent, budget-friendly one you actually take the time to build and keep in your vehicle. If you want to master these critical survival skills and protect your family from the unpredictable chaos of tomorrow, you must take action right now. Subscribe to Primal Methods today so you never miss another life-saving guide. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and always stay ready for the unexpected.